Hello, and welcome to this brief tutorial on how to sign into and use MySiskiyous. The first thing, of course, that you'll want to do is go to siskiyous.edu, and that will bring us to our college homepage. You'll see this banner across the top, and you'll want to select MySiskiyous. That should bring up your various accounts. You'll want to look for your Siskiyous email. Click on that, and then you'll want to type in your password. And that brings you to the MySiskiyous homepage. On this page, you can view current announcements, campus events. You can update your contact information, which is important, campus maps, directory and office hours, a lot of useful information on this page. You can also go to billing and financial aid, where you can apply for FAFSA or student loans. You can view your financial aid awards. You can pay your bill. And there's other important information on here that you can access, anything having to do with billing and financial aid. Registration, you can go here, you can search for classes, you can add or drop a class, you can view your schedule. If you go to academic, you can view your schedule here as well. If you have an ed plan, you can view it here. You can look at the academic calendar, see when your instructor's office hours are. It's important to see if there are any canceled classes. And if you need some help and some tutoring, you can click on this link here, and that'll take you to the tutoring page. You'll see your academic profile here. If you need any kind of academic support, you can find that over here. Your grades can be viewed here. You can view and order transcripts over here. And if you need to come up with an ed plan, there's information about that right over here. Campus Life is another great page with lots of important information about campus events, student clubs, health and safety. You can view what's being offered at the cafeteria with food services. If you need a job, you can look over here. There are community resources. And if you have any questions about how to use MySiskiyous or anything else, you can always visit the Student Help Desk, and they can help you to access your student email, which will help you to access MySiskiyous. I hope this was helpful, and have a great semester.